Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today I am going to explain worksheet number 7 for grade 4. Our topic is solid, liquid, gas. Everything is around us. Everything around us is made of something. Scientists call this matter. Matter takes up space and has weight. Matter can exist in three forms: solid, liquid, gas. Like the wood is example of solid, your tears is example of liquid, and the air is a gas. The position and movement of molecules determine the state of matter. Directions: draw objects that represent a solid, a liquid, and a gas. Here you will simply draw object that will tell us this is the solid or liquid or gas. Illustrate each state's molecules, and then you will illustrate each state's molecules. Describe the state of matter. Here you will describe the state of matter. If it's solid, you will describe that. Describe the state of matter and how it differ from each other. Like this one is solid. How we describe the solid? Solid particles are packed tightly together. First of all, I will tell you what is particle. Matter is made up of small bits. We call these small bits particles. These are too small to see. We can see these particles only with microscope. We cannot see the particles with our naked eye. Do you know solids are very rigid and their particles are very tightly packed. They cannot flow. They cannot compress. Okay. The next one is liquid. Liquid particles are closer to each other. Liquid particles are closer together than gas particles, but not as close as in a solid. In solid, particles are very close to each other. In liquid, these are closer, but not as the liquid particles. Liquid has no shape. When you pour the liquid in any container, that takes the shape of that container. The third one is gas. Gas particles are not close together. Okay, gas particles are not close together. They are at very distant places. Okay, they have too much gaps between the particles, between two or three, between their themselves. Okay, the gas particles has no earth shape. It also takes the shape of its container. They can be compressed easily. Okay, your book page number 28, solid, liquid, and gases. 29 also have the content about solid, liquid, and gases. The first one define the matter and their three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. On the next page you can see they give the different examples, and here they describe the states of matter. Like these are the solid particles, they are very tightly packed. You can see there are no gaps between the particles. Here you can see these are the liquid particles, they have the gap, they are not as much packed as the solid particles. And these are the gas particles which have the distance which are not close together. Okay, so these are the states of matter. By using this content you can easily solve your worksheet. Thank you.